Hey, the Rensselaer County Courthouse. Just so you know, you are on camera, but I have a question. How come I'm not allowed to record in the common areas like the lobbies of the courthouse? Because they can't tell me what law it is?
Under the, I guess it's under the rules of the court, I don't know. I couldn't tell you.
Because
those guys look up there,
they don't have any answers for me either.
No answers, I couldn't tell you.
And the court officer was threatened to arrest me and take my camera last time.
I don't know. I can't give you any answers, buddy.
Can you tell me what time this building opens, the court clerk?
Court opens at 9.
9?
Yep.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Alright, he was respectful. I'm gonna have to come back to this. That was district attorney investigator that I talked to. Morning. Hey, Tay. I'm going to go get some badge numbers from some of the officers from the other day. And I'm going to attempt to talk to the clerk, but I believe they open at 9. That's what he's saying. This is part of the courthouse. This row. Yeah, 8:30. Mia, what time is it? $21 minutes. Retracted? I don't even know what that stuff means. Why would you take your message away? That's alright though. I'm just waiting for the buildings to open up. I'll be the first one in. I know it's a little jumpy, but I'm doing it on my phone. The clerk's office, he said, opens at 9, but the courthouse opens at 8:30. I don't know, should I walk down to the police station, see if they're awake yet? She look grumpy. Oh, they gonna go to somebody. Let's see. I probably ain't gonna catch them. They gone. They going on South Troy. Mannery's right there. That's where a lot of the police come to eat their slop in the morning before they start. Oh, there's one over there in the parking lot. Let's see if he knows the mission statement. I just completely jaywalked in front of all those cops. That's alright though. I'll go to the station first. Hey Tay, that's actually my wife. She could give out any information you need. All of these police cars. I think that one, private car. picking his nose. I need to get a better camera. It's on my list. No, that's Denise that's on there. That's for Denise and Black Label. Got some out here. I ask you a question? Just so you know, you are live streaming. Can you tell me why they won't let me in the court to record the lobbies?
I don't know. We have nothing to do with the court system.
No.
We're the police station. We're the police department.
They told me if I go in there, they're going to arrest me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
For what?
Practicing my First Amendment right to record.
Oh, I don't know. We don't, like I said, we don't have anything to do with the court system.
Ask you another question?
Sure.
Do you know what the mission statement is for Detroit Police?
I'm sorry?
Do you know what the mission statement is for the
Service, trust, and professionals.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How you know? All right. I'll have to ask you a question. Do you know what the service, or what your the service number for a building is? The not emergency number. Do you know what your not emergency number is? Just a regular service number for the building?
Oh, the police desk?
Yeah.
It's 518-270-4421.
Okay, I have another question for you. Can you tell me why they won't let me record in the main lobbies of the courtroom? No? Do you know what the mission statement is for Detroit Police? All right, Pilgrim. You know if the chief is in today? Aren't you a public servant? Sorry, just to let you know, you are on camera.
What can I do for you?
I just want to know what the mission statement is for the Detroit Police.
All right. You're going to have to take a seat right now.
I'll come back. Thank you.
It's on the website. If you have time to go on the website, it's right on the website.
Thank you. Hey, Russell. No, they don't know. He's real busy, though. Alright, I'm going to head back over to the courthouse. It'll take me about 10 minutes to get over there anyways. Let's go see. Well, the one officer, the first guy I came across, he at least attempted. He at least knew the important part, that he was a servant, but that pilgrim, that's a new term I'm using thanks to Joe Citizen Help. That's what they're acting like, a bunch of pilgrims are here to take stuff from us. That's a shame. This laundromat is the cheapest one around. You could wash and dry your clothes for $2.25, but they shut down. And then this corner store here too, they were here forever. They just closed down too. Yeah, upstate, especially Troy, we have a lot of cool buildings up here. Albany too, you go downtown Albany, it's amazing. Hey, Black Desert Cat. Hey, Proper. Oh. That's the problem here in Troy, though. There's so many people and the streets are so small. This is shitty too. These people, they just got closed down. It is, but with all these smaller things closing up, all of these big names are coming in. There's tons of big names coming in. A couple years ago they built a Hilton. Now they're building a Marriott. Another good restaurant, one of my favorites. My wife and the baby, they only like it sometimes, but Dinosaur's Barbecue. It's supposed to be nice out, like 70s today. This is the court building. It's a pretty big building. That's part of Russell Sage over there, the white building. No, I thought that snow was never going to go away. More of the court building. Crap, I used to do that too. But the job I have now, I can't do that no more. That one right there, I think that's a Pilgrim right there. Y'all hear me okay? Hey, Bluegrass. How you doing? I'm pretty sure this is a court officer down here. I don't think they're open yet. You work for the court? You work for the court?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I could FOIA request that. I hope that's on your personal phone.
Yeah, but what are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out why my First Amendment right doesn't apply here.
Yeah, but why are you videotaping me?
You were looking at me.
No, you started.
And I'm in public.
I know, but why are you I just fucking, like, I'm nobody. I don't work for the court.
You just told me you did.
No, I'm a lawyer, but I don't work for the court. I don't know why you're videotaping the court.
Because
What's your name?
it doesn't matter what my name is. I don't identify. You're acting like a pilgrim.
Alright, well, I'll just pass this video along to the court.
I've already been here. I'm actually going to talk to them when they open.
Alright, I'll just pass this along to court security.
That's all right.
I got it. I got your face on it.
I got you
I don't
too.
know why you're videotaping the court.
Because they violated my rights.
That's fine, but don't videotape me and other people that have nothing to do with the bullshit.
Well,
Alright?
it don't matter. You're in public.
Keep moving along.
You're in public,
I'll
pilgrim.
make sure that the security and the sheriff's department sees it.
I'm going to talk to them. They already know. I have over 5,000 views on my last one here.
Fine, so just head inside and let them know that you're videotaping if you're not afraid. I'll walk in with you. Let's go over there.
I have to get them to come outside.
What's that?
Last time they threatened to arrest me.
Here, I'll go in with you. Let's go get them.
They were trying to violate my rights last time. Not happening.
All right, fine. So how about we walk over together?
Okay, but I'm going to cross the crosswalk. I'm not jaywalking.
All right. I'll wait for you over here.
All right.
And we can go let them know whatever your issue is.
Let them know. Come outside and talk to me.
Make sure you don't get scared and run away with it.
I'm coming right there. I've been waiting for them to open. I already talked to the district attorney's investigator.
That's fine. Make sure you don't pussy out.
All right, Pilgrim.
Don't let me down.
He's trying to get me go inside with him. He's trying to get me go inside with him so he can arrest me. I'm not going in there. They're going to arrest me.
Why not?
Because they're going to arrest me.
So you're afraid of getting arrested?
They told me the First Amendment doesn't apply. I want the officer that threatened to arrest me to come out here and ID himself.
All right, well, someone's gonna come out in a second.
I need the name and badge numbers of every officer that was here. You're not going to arrest me if I come up there, are you?
No, just turn the camera off.
No, I'm not turning the camera off.
What do you need?
I want the name and badge number of all the officers that were here last Tuesday that tried to violate my First and Fourth Amendment rights.
I couldn't tell you who that was.
I believe his badge number is 5.
5.
Yep.
Why don't you tell us your name first, and then we'll...
Because I don't have to identify myself.
Are you speaking with New York State court officers? Or are you speaking of Troy Police?
No, it was the court officers. It was in this doorway right here.
In this doorway here?
He told me that the Constitution doesn't apply here.
I can't speak for that. I wasn't here last Tuesday, so I can't help you with that.
Well, does the First Amendment apply? Can I go in the lobbies and take some pictures?
No, you cannot.
Why not?
There's no photography within the building.
Is that a policy or a law?
That's New York State law for the courts.
The law can't go against federal law.
I'm not going to speak for any law. I'm not an attorney. I can let you speak with a supervisor if you want to speak to my...
Can I speak to a
lieutenant or
supervisor?
sergeant. You want to do that? Stay outside, please.
Thank you.
Away from the building, down by the...
Is this all public area right here? We need to get a stabilizer.
Alright, good luck, buddy.
I know my rights. I've been doing this for a
I
while.
just think you should let go. Whatever happened, man, just let it go and move on. with
I
your
just
life.
want a couple pictures.
All this, what you're doing, is just going to get you into more trouble. Just let it go.
I know my rights. I'm not going to get any trouble.
Alright, you went to law school?
That's not important.
Listen, can I use this as like a free advertisement for my law firm? Like if you said you have a lot of people that watch
I
it,
charge
can
for
like
everything.
advertise? I do traffic tickets, I do traffic, I do criminal, I do family, matrimonial, I'll do contract law, landlord-tenant law, anything you guys want, just give me a call.
I'm
You
working.
probably look me up on the internet.
The reason why I'm here
actually
today.
very affordable. I got good prices. I'll take care of you. I'm a good attorney. You know, so I don't know what else I could say, but I hope this gets out to you.
The reason why I'm here today is
all right, see
I'm
you
filing a
later.
federal lawsuit on them.
Yeah, but you know what? Your federal lawsuit is going to go nowhere if you get arrested because you're harassing the court. So you should just...
I'm not harassing the court. I'm looking for name and badge numbers. You got a better camera, huh?
The chief clerk's going to be coming down to speak to you because he wants to talk to you.
All right.
And what's going on?
I'm pretty sure that my First and Fourth Amendment rights were violated here last Tuesday when I came in.
Well, I don't know what happened last Tuesday. I wasn't here. Well, what I do know is you can't harass people that are out here.
Okay, he started talking to me.
What I do know is you can't harass people that are out
All
here.
right.
You understand?
That's not a problem.
Okay.
But if they come to
You
me,
cannot film while you're in the building.
is that a policy or a law?
That's our policy.
Policies do not.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Am I an
It's just
employee?
like, it's just like going. It doesn't matter if you're an employee.
I didn't sign a contract though.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
What's your name and badge number?
You see my badge number?
Is that what you tell a judge if you have to go in the courtroom?
About what?
If you are called into the courtroom and the judge asks you what your name is,
Like I said, the chief clerk will be down here to speak with you.
7199.
Yes, sir.
You understand that policies are not laws, right?
One, is the chief clerk en route down?
They don't wear name tags. They don't like to identify. Not blocking the stairs. It's funny that they have an ashtray though, but you're not supposed to smoke within, what is it, 25 or 50 feet of the doors. Do you work for the court? Do you work for the court?
No, I do not.
Yeah, I won't get you on camera. See, I'm nice. If they're not working for the court, I ain't gonna take no pictures of them. I am gonna get a code number or a statute number or something. You could see they got all these law books in there, but they don't know what none of them says. They're acting like a bunch of goddamn pilgrims. I don't know where he's been, but I'm gonna do a shout out to one of my inspirations, Joe Citizen Ho. Hey, Chicago. Do you know if they're sending down Richard Riley? Is that who it is? You want my YouTube handle? Alright. He needs his first cup of coffee. He is upset.
Alright, have a good one, man.
You want my YouTube handle so you can watch?
What is it?
UpstateNY with a dash and then
Yeah.
Audits.
Audits?
Audits. AUID. Alright. You too. I'm live streaming actually. It's a huge building, guys. I don't know, hopefully I'll get some views, get my views up from some fucking officers. Make them do some service to me. They need to kind of clean up their stairs a little bit. All this millions of tax dollars again, they can't even have any clean steps. I mean, at least the grass is cut. (1996) Clean Water and Clean Air Bond Act. County Courthouse Interior Restoration, Rensselaer County. I was telling the lawyer too how to spell audits wrong. I'll see if he figures it out. Nah, I just want them to, their views to go as them seeing that they're a bunch of dicks. They're a bunch of fucking pilgrims. So, I'm waiting for the chief clerk. If I'm correct, that is Richard or Dick Riley. So, hopefully that's who it is, because I talked to him on the phone. I think they all left the door. I don't see a single court officer in there right now. Is he still coming?
Stand up here and block the door.
I was making sure no one was coming.
Right here, blocking the door.
All right.
All right.
Can you tell me when he's coming down?
I can't tell you that.
All right. Can I get your name at least? Are you a public servant? Your policy to give your name and badge number? You're a pilgrim. Look, there's a whole nother way. Not blocking the sidewalk. This is the Rensselaer County Supreme Courthouse. I don't know the number to it, but if you want to call, somebody wants to call and ask them to come outside and speak to me. I'm pretty sure the guy that's supposed to come speak to me is Richard Riley. That's who I talked to on the phone the other day, where he said that the policy is the law. You work for the court? I do. Okay. They're not even supposed to bring witnesses in this door. They're supposed to go in the back. Witnesses, lawyers, all of them, they're supposed to use the back door. I need the number posted to the Rensselaer County Supreme Court. One of the other phones should be in the living room, the blue phone. Or I think there might be one in the bedroom too in the back. Or one of the blue phones is in near the washer and dryer, alright? You can look it up on there if you don't want to cut your feet. Mom of 2 is my wife, everybody. So if you ever need any information from me or anything, you can't get a hold of me, you can get a hold of her. Russell, I got the best wife. And she's a good stay-at-home mom, too. Our 2-year-old Charlotte, she's a smart little baby. Thank you, Chicago. If somebody wants to call and just ask the chief clerk to hurry up and come outside, I'd appreciate it. Thank you, love you. Yeah, Russell, our 2-year-old daughter, she knows her ABCs. She can count already. She's real smart. She knows her shapes, her colors. She says some crazy things that you wouldn't expect a 2-year-old to say. That's an officer right there in that SUV, that silver one. You guys don't work for the court, do you? Yeah. No? Alright, thank you. You don't work for the court, do you?
How you doing?
How are you?
I'm good. Are you Rob?
Yes.
Okay.
You're the one I spoke to on the phone?
Yes.
I have a question about the policy.
Okay.
How can a policy stick if it's not law? How come I can't go in and take a couple pictures?
Well, because that's what the policy is. You got to put an application in to take any pictures or video inside a court facility.
Can I get a code number, a statute number, or anything for that?
Why don't you put it in writing and then I'll respond to you. Okay?
So my First Amendment doesn't apply here?
You got to put an application in to take any pictures or video inside a court facility, whether it's a private chambers or a public hallway. That's the rules.
Is it rules or is it a law? Because the law says otherwise.
No. The rules say you got to put an application in to have your pictures.
But the rules only apply to employees. I'm not an employee of the court.
No. The rules do not apply to employees.
Do you have an employee number or something?
You can put an application in. I'll be glad to entertain it. Okay?
So if I put an application in, you gonna let me record, or do I have to do this every week?
Nope. You can put an application in, and I'll be happy to respond to you. Okay?
Can I get the name and badge number of all the officers that were here last Tuesday?
Put an application in, and I'll respond to you.
And that guy out here that told me he's a lawyer, is he a lawyer or not? I will see you in a federal court if that's what it takes. Fucking cowards. I take it you don't work here. I won't get you on camera. All right, let's go check the Troy police. Let's go see their courthouse over there. That right there, sitting at that table, that's that lawyer that was out here talking to me. I waving to him, but he don't see me. He's on his laptop. He's probably looking me up. Y'all are officers?
What's up, Raven?
Oh, what's up?
What's going on?
Nothing. I'm trying to get some officers to answer my questions, but apparently they don't speak to the public. Y'all are police officers, though? No, what are you? You look pretty official. Can I get some name and badge numbers if you are?
Huh?
Can I get some name and badge numbers if y'all are officers?
Are you detained?
No.
Okay.
But if you're a public servant, you have a duty to answer me.
Now when I'm off the clock, buddy.
You carrying off the clock?
Yeah.
Oh, so badges grant extra rights?
Yeah.
Bunch of pilgrims. I'm sorry, sir. Officer, I ask you a question? They're a bunch of cowards. One that said my last name. I went to LaSalle with him. I bet you he's violating rights left and right. That's a guarantee. They think that they a lion, they a king of the jungle. This city is too big for them. Detroit police like to shoot people. A lot of them shoot people. I'm sorry, Russell. I wasn't paying attention to the feed, but let's go to the clerk's office now. It's a separate building, so there's different rules, right? Different policies. You want to go to the clerk's office or the police station again? Hello. Just to let you know, I am live streaming on the internet. I just had a question. I'm trying to get name and badge numbers of all of the officers over in the courthouse from last Tuesday. No.
We don't have nothing to do with it.
Can you tell me how to file a complaint against the court? No? Is there a supervisor I can speak to?
He's not in at the moment.
No? Can you tell me when he'll be back?
About 9:30.
9:30? Thank you.
We don't have nothing to do with the court officers, the state.
Well, I'm trying. Do you guys work for the county or the state or?
We work for the county, they work for the state.
So can I file a complaint with the county against the courthouse itself?
I don't know how you would do it without an attorney.
Well, being an attorney, all that means is you have a bar card. That's a membership. You don't have to be an attorney to file a complaint.
I don't know what to tell you.
Maybe Sharon would know. Can I get the phone number to his office?
Supreme Court clerk is who you have to speak with, and he's
They won't speak to me. I already talked to him.
well, he's who resides over the court officers. It's the state. It has nothing to do with Rensselaer County at all.
It's the Rensselaer County Courthouse.
So, yeah, and we're Rensselaer County clerks. We are a filing agency.
So I'm trying to file a complaint.
Okay, draw it up and file it. It'll cost you $210 for an index number.
That's actually against the law, charge to file complaints.
That's how we keep track of things.
So you guys don't follow the law either?
Have a nice day.
Can I get your name?
My name is Robin.
Robin? I'm not going to ask you. You've been all right. I think she's afraid of cameras, though. You afraid of cameras? It's the First Amendment, remember that. Yep, they charge to file complaints against them. $250 to file a complaint against them. Ain't that some bullshit? So, because I want to complain about you doing something wrong to me, I have to pay you $250. That's right. I'll walk back down to the Troy court. Y'all think my videos are too long? Should I shorten them up? Some artwork. I showed this the other day too. We have some real talented artists in this city. I was trying to get pictures of the artwork. Thank you. Now, there's some really talented artists down here. Especially if you go over in South Troy, where I'm from, on the south side of the city, near the Heights and the projects over there, there's a ton of awesome artwork. There's a school over there, Carroll Hill Elementary School. If you go back there in the woods, there's so much artwork back there on pipes and old buildings and stuff that are back there. That was the Rensselaer County Supreme Courthouse, the first building I went to, and then the next building I went to was the Rensselaer County Clerk's office. But apparently, even though they're from the same county, they don't have nothing to do with each other, she said. She wouldn't give me a phone number. She told me I could look it up. I need to buy one of Curry's rigs to stabilize my phone. That building down there next to this discount tire shop, that's the family courthouse down there, but I know they have children there, so I'm not going over there right now. Rensselear. 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 It's in Troy, New York. If you Google County Supreme Court, Troy, New York, they'll come up. My accent. Okay, Russell, I see you. My buddy's actually down in Texas right now. He's in the Army. That's where he's stationed out of. Is Lieutenant John here? I'll hold the door for you.
Thank you.
Lieutenant John ain't here?
Sorry about that.
You're fine. Let me wait till these people get through the metal detector. You guys officers? Can I get some name and badge numbers?
I'm off duty. Yeah, you don't need
Name and badge number?
For what? I'm off duty, so what do you
You're
got
off
for?
duty? Do you know what your mission statement is?
Yeah, service, trust, and professional.
Is that the whole thing?
That is.
All right, thank you.
Thank
At least somebody knew it.
Yep, absolutely, buddy. Take care.
Have a good day. Sorry.
Hi.
See, I'm polite. I got manners. I hold the door for people. I say sorry. I take the camera off of people that aren't involved. They said they're off duty. They don't have to identify. Can you get a lieutenant or supervisor out here to talk to me? What's up? Can you get a supervisor come out here to talk to me? Yep. So I want to know why I'm not allowed to record inside.
I can't hear you. What's going on?
I want to know why I'm not allowed to record inside. First, can I have a name, badge number?
Badge number's right there.
Is that what you tell a judge?
Derek Bush.
Derek Bush?
Yeah.
4787?
Yeah.
How come I'm not allowed to record inside?
No one's allowed to record inside.
Is that a policy or a law?
That is at least a court law. We don't, the judges don't want it and we don't allow it.
The judges, they can't make laws, neither can you guys.
Well, we don't allow it, so I mean, advise you strictly prohibited at all times.
Can I take a picture of that?
I don't care.
You got a statute number for me or a code number or anything? So this... I just went over to the court clerk and they said that they don't know why you guys have a problem with it.
Well, yeah, go ahead. You can take a picture of that, but inside this thing.
It's not supposed to be in there. Sergeant said not even that.
Not even right here?
No, that's inside.
Can I get your name badge number too?
What did you say?
I want your name and badge number.
Yeah, I could give you that, but you're not supposed to be filming here, so you can step outside. You can film all you want outside, but not inside.
That's actually a violation of First Amendment.
No, it's actually not.
It is. The Supreme Court already ruled on it.
Yep.
Can I get your name badge number? Don't hit me with the door.
I'm not hitting you with the door. I'm actually closing the door.
Can I get your name badge number? 6909. Okay, Pilgrim. I'm going to file a federal complaint. So I need your name. Are you fair to identify?
You need to turn off your phone if you're inside this building.
I'm not inside. I need your name and badge number, though. You work for the court?
No.
I think you do. You fair to identify, too? Come on. Give me your name and badge number. I am doing my job. I'm keeping you guys accountable. Act like a bunch of pilgrims.
What's that?
You guys are acting like a bunch of pilgrims. You're a coward. Why are you an officer? You shouldn't be allowed to carry a gun. You're a coward.
Back here for how to process it? Huh? Did you check it?
I checked it. Actually, I got it from a couple officers outside too, but I have a question.
Go ahead.
How come the court officers next door won't identify?
Excuse me?
They won't give me their name or badge numbers.
You'd have to address that with the courts. They don't work for us. They work for the Office of Court.
Are you aware that they're breaking the law over there?
I don't know. You'll have to address that with them.
Well, this is the police department, isn't it?
But they're not part of us. That's the Office of Court Administration.
They don't know the law either. I just talked to the court clerks, everybody. I even went over to the Supreme Court. They don't know either.
What are you looking for?
I want the statute or the code number for no filming in the public lobbies.
Like you're doing right now?
Yeah.
I don't know if there is one.
I believe that there isn't because I can't find it anywhere and it's not on the bottom of their posters. They're just saying it's the law. They told me last time it was policy law.
Well, it can be policy, but
I never heard of a policy law.
your best bet with all of that is to go to the Office of Court Administration. They have a whole hierarchy.
I went through them. They all told me that I have to pay them to file a complaint.
You have to file a complaint? What about just filing a FOIL?
I have to pay $250 for that too.
A FOIL?
Any kind of complaint or any form, it's $250.
I don't think they can do that, can they? For
That I said I believe that's against the law, and she put her head down and wouldn't talk to me no more.
I don't know where that came from. I've never heard of that either, but I would have to research that one myself.
You guys, though, you Troy Police, you're very professional for the most part.
I would say just FOIL it. That's you know what I mean?
All right, thank you.
They're a public entity. Anything that gets FOILed, I mean, I'm sure they have a way of doing it in what office you have to go through.
All right, thank you very
You might
much.
have to contact somebody in Albany.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I'd shake your hand if I could.
All right, take care.
Have a good day. we flipped around. That's alright. What's up, y'all? So, I'm about to end the feed, I suppose. It's getting too bright out here to see anything anyways. I'll be back later, possibly. Alright, y'all have a good day. Yeah, Ty Wild, Master. I like that officer. He's been around for a while. I remember him before he was a sergeant in my youthful days. I think he might recognize me too, but nah, he's cool. Alright, y'all have a good day.